In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify with n8n. By the end, you'll have the official connection in place so your store can sync data with n8n for powerful, automated workflows. Start on your Shopify admin homepage. Make sure you're signed in with an account that has permission to install apps, ideally the store owner or someone with full admin rights. From here, go to the apps area. You'll see an option to add more apps. Click the Add or Add Apps button to open the app options. A small window may appear with a short list of suggestions. To view the full catalog, scroll to the bottom of that window and click Shopify App Store. This takes you into the official marketplace where you can find the connector we need. In the App Store, use the search bar at the top and type n8n. Press Enter to search. In the results, look for Streamline. Two-way sync. This is the app that bridges your Shopify store with n8n so information can move both ways. Open the listing and take a quick moment to confirm it matches what you're expecting. Check the description, supported features, and reviews so you know you're installing the right tool for your workflow needs. When you're ready, click Install. Shopify will display a permission screen showing what the app can access. Review these details carefully. The connector needs certain scopes to read and write data so it can sync orders, products, or customers as designed. If everything looks good, proceed. Depending on your store's settings, you may see a final confirmation page. Click Install again to approve and complete the process. That's it. The app is now added to your Shopify store. After installation, you'll land on the app's page within your admin. From there, the app will guide you through any remaining configuration to link your n8n instance, such as authenticating or confirming the endpoint it should talk to. Keep any relevant connection details handy so setup is smooth. If billing or trial options appear, review them before continuing. A couple of quick tips to wrap up. If you don't see the add option at first, you can also reach the App Store by opening the App section from your left navigation and choosing to explore apps from there. If you manage multiple environments, consider installing and testing in a development store first to validate permissions and data flow. And if you ever change your mind, you can return to the Apps section to manage or remove the connector. You've now connected Shopify with n8n using Streamline, n8n two-way sync. Enjoy building automations and saving time.